Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a gaming review, battery drain test and the heating test of the Xiaomi Mi A2. Now before we get started, these are the specifications and Antutu Geekbench scores. Now first I'll be doing the gaming review and the battery drain test. But before starting the gaming review, here are some stats. Phone currently has 97% of battery, and coming to the temperature, on the front it is 32 degrees, at the bottom it is around 34 to 36 degrees, on the back it is 33 degrees, and at the bottom it's about 32-33 degrees. By the way, there are two big lights on both sides. Currently room temperature is 26 degrees and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees. Now I'll start a timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. So guys, I played this game for about 8 minutes. Currently phone has 94% of battery. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees. At the bottom it's around 38 to 39 degrees. On the back it is 36 degrees. And at the top it is 37 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, everything was pretty good. Visuals were good and there was no lag. Next I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 8 minutes and the current battery percentage is 91%. Now coming to the temperature, on the front it is about 37 or 38 degrees. At the bottom it's about 38-39 degrees. On the back it is 39 degrees. At the bottom it's about 37 degrees. Phone feels slightly warm but it's completely manageable. Gaming experience was once again pretty good. Visuals were great and there was no lag. Next I'll be playing Shadowgun Legends. So guys, I played this game for about 10 minutes and the current battery percentage is 85%. Now coming to the temperature, on the front it is 42 degrees and surprisingly, even at the bottom, it's about 40 or 42 degrees. Now usually phones don't get warm at the bottom. Now on the back it is 41 degrees and once again at the bottom, it's about 40 degrees. Now this phone seems to be having a heat pipe from top to bottom. That's why even the bottom area of the phone is getting hot. By the way, while playing this particular game, phone did felt hot, but it was still manageable. It wasn't too hot or anything. By the way, room temperature is still 26 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, there was some occasional lag, but that's ignorable and you can play this game without any issues. Next I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. So guys, I played this game for about 20 minutes and currently phone has about 77% of battery left. Now coming to the temperature, on the front it is around 41 or 42 degrees. At the bottom it is 40 to 41 degrees. On the back it is 41 degrees and at the bottom it's about 38 degrees. So as you have seen, phone still feels slightly hot even in the bottom area of the phone. It's just to manage the heat. Now Xiaomi might have intentionally designed it in a way to reduce the heating issue. Now coming to the gaming experience, once again there was no lag and everything worked without any issues. Now coming to the battery stats, I've been playing games for about 47 minutes and phone used about 20% of battery. So with a complete charge, you should be able to play games continuously for about 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty decent considering this phone has a smaller 3000 mAh battery. Now coming to the heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. Now I'll start the timer and start taking the pictures. So guys, now I'm done with the heating test. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees. At the bottom it's about 37 degrees and it even showed 40 degrees for an instant. On the back it's about 40 to 41 degrees and at the bottom it's about 37 or 38 degrees. So in terms of heat test, I must say heat management is very well managed on this phone. So guys, on the whole there are no heating issues on this phone. No matter how much I stressed it, whether it was playing games continuously or taking pictures continuously, phone didn't cross 42 degrees. And that's a pretty great thing. So if you have any doubts about heating issues of Mi A2, there isn't anything like that. By the way guys, this test has been done at a room temperature of 26 degrees. So these temperatures might vary depending on the room temperature. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.